Okay, for today's class we're going to see yay! So, if you don't remember or you don't know, when do we use the going to? Okay, we have here the past, the present, and the future. For present, we can write sentences like I play soccer. Okay, that means it's for habits, things you usually do, etc. For past, we can write, for example, I played basketball. This is for words that you, for sentences that you did in the past and now in the present you are not doing it. Maybe you finished, you won't do it again, etc. And then for future, we have two ways to use future. One of the two forms is going to be will, and the other one going to. For today's video and the next one, we're going to concentrate on this one, going to. Alright? Alright. So, the structure for going to is simple. We have the noun, the person, the verb to be, then we have going to, then the verb in infinitive, and finally the complement. We can do a sentence, for example, I am, remember this, I am going to eat, let's say, tacos. So we have the noun, we have the verb to be, going to doesn't change, the verb eat, we have a go in here, so you don't have to use eating again. If you write this, it's wrong, so you have to put it like this, eat. And finally, the complement, it can be anything you want. I am going to eat tacos. Or maybe I'm going to eat hamburger, I'm going to eat enchiladas, chimichangas, fritatas, sushi, etc. Alright then. For other examples, we can write, for example, you, still the person, are, remember, verb to be, you are, going to, no changes here, let's say study English, because you are good guys, you are going to study English. Alright, remember, these are things for future. Alright, okay. For other example, let's say he, again, noun, everything fine. He is, okay, remember, between I'm, are, is. He is going to watch Netflix. Remember, in this quarantine, you have good series to watch on Netflix, so maybe you're going to watch Netflix today. I don't know. Well, this is the structure for anything. Remember, for this, the noun, it all has to be the same. I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. For verb to be, remember, I am, you are, he is. I am, you are, we are, they are. He is, she is, it is. Going to in all, wait a second. Alright, as I was saying, going to is the same in every sentence, alright? The verb has to be in infinitive. If you write, for example, ate, studied, etc., or maybe watching, these are wrong. You have to use infinitive. Then let's say the verbs in simple present. And the complements, you can write whatever you want. As I said, I'm going to study maths and history. He is going to watch Hulu and, I don't know, Blim. Blim. Alright, so let's have other examples. Okay, so we have this guy. In the future, he sees, let's say we have this stuff here, and I don't know, something like this. Yay, we have a doctor here. The doctor of Notre Dame. Okay, so for this guy, if in the future he sees himself as a doctor, you can say, for example, he is going to be, don't worry if you have is here and be here, don't worry, there's no problem. He is going to be a doctor. Alright? But if this doctor has a telephone cabinet, he is going to be Doctor Who. Alright, you don't know this because it's British television. You should watch that series, it's really awesome. Okay, this is for, let's say, for jobs. If he sees, for example, about the shops, the shopping, he has here some toilet paper, some, let's say, food, and a water of bottle, B of Bonafont. Okay, so in this case, he is going to buy supplies. Supplies is this stuff you need for the week, for the month, food, water, toilet paper, medicine sometimes, yeah. So these are things for future. He is thinking of doing these things on future. Now, other sentence. Let's imagine is September 15. All right, and here we have a delicious pozole. Okay, so in this case, for celebrations, he is going to eat pozole on September 15th. Alright? So, let's have other examples. Alright, with the same guy, let's say he is thinking of France, the let's say the Eiffel Tower. Imagine this is the Eiffel Tower. No, it's not Pemex. It's Paris. It's Paris. It's not Pemex. Let's say here a flag. A flag of France. And a baguette because France. Okay, so in this case, this guy is going to. He is going to. You have two options. He's going to travel to France. This is one option. Or you can put easily, he's going to France. Easy. This one is easy. Well, he shouldn't travel to France because, you know, of the current situations, right?